will be fighting. Unfortunately, they are not here today. They will be fighting Robertson Abion. Also, we got here, alam natin, kilala na natin, Elorde Sandigon. He will be fighting Adria Juan Darmita. Also, we got the world famous Mark Striegel. And he will be fighting Paige Alitao. And also our doubleheader main event, we got Godwin Langbayan. And he will be fighting Sim Kai Shong. Okay, so first, let us hear it from our first fighter, lady fighter, Mr. Jen Buson. Miss Jen Buson, ano ang aabangan namin sa iyong fight and ano ang i-expect mo sa iyong kalaban? And ano ang aasahan ng MMA fans sa darating mong laban?
Supportahan niyo na lang po kami supportahan niyo po kami sa 28 kung ano pong nangyayari sa laban po namin.
Okay, very short but very detailed by Miss Jen Buson. And now let us hear it from our next bout. First, for our ng mga main cards, mga kaibigan, let's hear it from Mr. Mark Anthony Halaron. Joe Margaliaza rather.
First of all, maraming salamat sa palaro dito sa akin. So, sa April 28, abangan nyo kami sa kalaban ko. Magbibigay po kami ng isang magandang laban dito. So, abangan nyo kami. Maraming salamat.
Now let us hear it from the fighter from KSK. Mga kaibigan, ang pinagmamalaki po ng Combat Sports Kalayaan. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Mr. Elorde Sandigon.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng organizer ng KSK. At ngayong April 28, gusto ko abangan nyo yung laban ko. Gusto ko magpakita ng entertainment sa mga manonood. So, actually, yung laro ko kasi grappler ako, pero gusto ko dalhin sa striking yung laban para hindi maboring yung mga tao. I hope si Andriawan, maganda yung condition niya. See you sa 28. Thank you.
Wow, as I understand, unbeaten ka pa sa iyong MMA career, tama ba? Okay, so what is your record again? 4-0. Elorde Sandigon. So, may background, di ba, if I'm not mistaken, ang background mo din ay boxing, right?
Hindi talaga.
Okay. So
magkamalan lang kasi Elorde yung pangalan.
But that will be a very exciting matchup. And now, the highly anticipated event will spotlight Asian MMA superstar, Sambist model, actor, and Filipino-American Mark Edward Mugen Martinez Striegel in the grappling super fight event. He will be up against Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu brown belt from Bacolod, Paige Alitao. So once again, let us hear it from Mr. Mark Striegel.
Hi everybody, thanks for coming. I'd just like to thank the organizers, of course, Siren for the event. And yeah, I'm super excited to participate in this show. It's been a while since I've competed here in Manila, so happy to be back here. And yeah, this is an exciting matchup between me and Paige. He beat my teammate, Troy Legaspi, who's my Bullshido teammate and partner, training partner and teammate. So, of course, I want to get the win and get revenge for my teammate. So, I'm excited for this show. I'm excited to go against Paige for this matchup. And the show itself is going to be super exciting. I mean, this is, in the street, a street festival, a street MMA show. It's going to be highly entertaining. There's going to be drinks flowing. It's going to be great. So definitely want to invite everyone to the show and to have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And for our doubleheader, another BJJ brown belt and WFB bantamweight champion Godwin Langbayan will fight against a professional MMA fighter out of Singapore, ranked at number 47 in the professional men's flyweight in Asia Southeast, Sim Kai Xiong in the KSA KSSK event. Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear it from Sir Godwin Langbayan.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for coming here and all the organizers and Mamsi. Expect for the main event a well-rounded fight because, as we know, Sim Kai Shong is a UFC Performance Institute scholar. So we'll expect that he's a well-rounded guy, good condition, of course, a more veteran than me in MMA, but don't get me wrong, because me and my teammate Mark Striegel is also training and we're part of the Philippine national sambo team, so expect that we will go anywhere in the martial arts discipline. Thank you.
Wow. So even though their opponents are not here to make some rebuttals, but man, the table is now open for your questions from our friends from